Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to participate in the 2018 Summer Goodwill Challenge. If you've never heard of that challenge before, it is hosted by Hillary over at Old World Home, and basically the idea behind it is to go to a thrift store, a Goodwill, a yard sale, any place where you can find secondhand items and to pick something up to bring into your home for the summer season. So let me go ahead and show you the item that I picked up and how I plan to use this outside in my yard. And here it is, this pretty silver bowl. I'm not exactly sure what this is made out of. There's actual engraving on the back, so I don't know if this is silver or what this is, but I thought it was really pretty, and it only cost $1.89, so that definitely fits in with the $5 budget for this Goodwill challenge. This is rope I already had on hand from a previous project. I want to hang this bowl outside, so I am cutting 4 pieces of rope to hot glue to the back so I have a way to hang this.
Losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't want to let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
And this is how I decided to use this. I am going to use this as a bird bath or a bird feeder. In the future, I plan to get bird seed to put in it, but right now for this video, I only had the water, so I turned this into a cute bird bath. It did take some finagling, moving the cords to get it level so the water did not tip out like it just did there. But once I got everything level, it was perfectly stable and the water stayed in fine.
We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing.
That's it, guys. Super simple and easy, and I think it turned out really cute. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? If you're not already and you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe so you never miss any of my future videos, and I will see you all really soon. Bye guys!
Under your spotlight.